Hey everyone, and welcome to this complete course on JavaScript. My name is Rashid Omar. I'm a software engineer, penetration tester, reverse engineer, and cloud engineer. And I'll be your guide throughout this journey into the world of JavaScript. Whether you're just getting started in tech, switching stacks, or expanding your skill set, you're in the right place, and I'm glad you're here. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is JavaScript? JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic programming language that's one of the core technologies of the web, right alongside HTML and CSS. If HTML is the structure of a web page and CSS is the design, JavaScript is what brings it to life, the interactivity, the animations, the logic, the responsiveness. But JavaScript has come a long way. It's no longer just for the browser. With tools like Node.js, JavaScript runs on servers. With React Native, it builds mobile apps. With Electron, it powers desktop apps. It's everywhere. So, why should you learn JavaScript? First, it's one of the most in-demand programming languages in the world. Almost every tech company, from startups to giants like Google and Meta, uses JavaScript somewhere in their stack. Second, it's beginner-friendly. You don't need to install anything complex to get started. A browser and a code editor are enough to begin building. Third, it's incredibly versatile. Want to build websites? JavaScript. Want to build APIs and backends? JavaScript. Want to make a mobile app or automate tasks? Still, JavaScript. No matter what kind of developer you want to be, front-end, back-end, full stack, or even a cloud or DevOps engineer, JavaScript is a super useful tool to have. Let's break down some of the real-world applications of JavaScript. Web development, front-end. Used with frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular to create dynamic, responsive interfaces. Most websites you visit every day rely heavily on JavaScript. Web development, back-end. With Node.js, JavaScript can run on servers, handle databases, APIs, and manage business logic. Mobile app development. Using frameworks like React Native or Ionic, you can build mobile apps for both iOS and Android with one code base. Desktop applications. Apps like Visual Studio Code and Slack are built using Electron, which runs on JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Game development. JavaScript is also used for 2D, 3D browser-based games with libraries like Phaser or Babylon.js. Automation and scripting. Great for automating browser tasks, scraping data, or automating workflows in tools like Node.js or using browser extensions. Cloud and DevOps. In cloud platforms like AWS, you can write serverless functions using JavaScript. It's often used in CI, CD pipelines, monitoring scripts, and cloud automation. So, in this course, we're going to take you from zero to hero in JavaScript. We'll start with the fundamentals, variables, functions, control flow, then move into more advanced topics like objects, asynchronous programming, APIs, DOM manipulation, and real-world projects. We'll also touch on tools and frameworks that are relevant in modern development, so you don't just learn how to write JavaScript, you'll learn how to write good, scalable, real-world code. Whether you want to become a web developer, a mobile app creator, or just understand how the web really works, this course is for you. So get ready, stay consistent, and let's unlock the full power of JavaScript together. Let's begin. Subscribe, follow, and let's start the journey.